Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Dalle DG-001 small coffee grinder is a compact and versatile kitchen appliance designed to handle a variety of dry grinding tasks. While its name suggests a primary focus on coffee, the device is marketed as a multi-purpose tool capable of processing spices, seasonings, grains, and nuts. At its core, this is a high-speed blade grinder that relies on a simple but powerful mechanism to pulverize ingredients into various degrees of fineness. For a price of approximately $15 at the time of writing, it offers an accessible entry point for those looking to move away from pre-ground ingredients in favor of the more potent flavors found in freshly processed foods. The utility of a device like this is rooted in its simplicity. It does not feature complex settings or digital displays, instead focusing on a straightforward motor and blade assembly that can fit easily into almost any kitchen layout. When examining the build and design of the grinder, the emphasis is clearly on durability and ease of use. The interior grinding bowl and the blades are constructed from stainless steel. This choice of material is significant for several reasons. Stainless steel is resistant to corrosion and does not react with the acidic components found in coffee or the volatile oils present in many spices. Furthermore, it is a non-porous material, which means it is less likely to retain the strong odors of garlic, cloves, or cumin after a thorough cleaning. This is a critical feature for an appliance intended to switch between coffee beans and pungent seasonings. The exterior of the unit is typically made of a sturdy plastic that houses the 200-watt motor. The design usually follows a vertical orientation, which minimizes the amount of counter space required. Most models in this category utilize a transparent lid, allowing the user to monitor the progress of the grind without stopping the machine. The safety mechanism is often integrated into this lid, requiring it to be properly seated and pressed down to engage the motor, which reduces the risk of accidental operation. The performance of the grinder is driven by its motor, which reaches speeds of roughly 28,000 revolutions per minute. This high rotational speed is what allows the stainless steel blades to effectively shatter hard ingredients like peppercorns, cinnamon sticks, or dense coffee beans. In a blade grinder, the process is less about crushing and more about high-velocity impact. As the blades spin, they create a centrifugal force that moves the ingredients around the bowl, ensuring they pass through the cutting path multiple times. This results in a very fast processing time, often taking only 10 to 20 seconds to reach a fine powder consistency. The significance of this speed cannot be overstated for the home cook. When spices are ground fresh, the cell walls of the plant material are broken down, immediately releasing essential oils and aromatic compounds that begin to degrade the moment they are exposed to air. By grinding right before use, the user captures the maximum flavor and aroma, which can significantly enhance the quality of a dish or a cup of coffee. This level of performance matters because it provides a level of customization that pre-ground products cannot match. By controlling the duration of the grind through short pulses, a user can achieve a coarse texture suitable for a French press or a dry spice rub. Conversely, holding the lid down for a longer period will produce the fine powder required for espresso or delicate baking recipes. While the consistency of a blade grinder is generally less uniform than that of a more expensive burr grinder, the high RPM of this unit helps to mitigate some of that variance by ensuring that even the smallest particles are eventually hit by the blades. It is a functional trade-off that favors speed and versatility over the extreme precision required by professional baristas. The Dalle DG-001 is best suited for several types of users. It is an excellent choice for budget-conscious individuals who want to improve their culinary results without spending a significant amount of money on specialized equipment. At a price point of around $15, it provides a high return on investment in terms of flavor enhancement. It is also ideal for people living in smaller spaces, such as apartments or dormitories, where a large, dedicated coffee or spice mill would be impractical. Because it is a multi-purpose tool, it serves the role of several different appliances, saving both money and storage space. Additionally, it is a great fit for the occasional cook who might only need to grind a small amount of flax seeds for a smoothie or a handful of peppercorns for a specific recipe. The small capacity ensures that ingredients are processed in batches that are used immediately, preventing waste and ensuring freshness. There are also those who use these grinders for non-culinary purposes, such as processing dried herbs for home remedies or grinding seeds for gardening. The powerful motor and stainless steel construction make it capable of handling a wide range of dry materials that might stall a less powerful motor. For anyone who values the ability to transform whole raw materials into usable powders quickly and efficiently, this tool offers a practical and straightforward solution. In a balanced assessment, it is important to recognize both the strengths and the limitations of this type of device. The primary advantage is the combination of power and affordability. It is a workhorse for the average kitchen, capable of tackling everything from hard grains to oily nuts. However, because it relies on high-speed blades, it does generate a small amount of heat during extended use. For very sensitive ingredients, this heat can slightly alter the flavor profile if the machine is run for too long without a break. Users should also be aware that because the bowl is usually integrated into the base, cleaning requires a bit of care to avoid getting water into the motor housing. Despite these considerations, the grinder remains a highly effective tool for its intended purpose. It bridges the gap between manual grinding methods, which can be labor-intensive and time-consuming, and high-end professional equipment that may be overkill for the average household. It offers a simple, reliable way to access the superior flavors of freshly ground ingredients. Whether it is used to start the morning with a fresh cup of coffee or to finish an evening meal with a custom spice blend, the utility of this 200-watt grinder is clear. It is a functional, no-frills appliance that prioritizes performance and versatility, making it a sensible addition to any kitchen where freshness is a priority. For a modest investment of approximately $15, it provides a meaningful upgrade to the daily cooking and beverage experience, proving that a tool does not need to be complicated to be effective. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping!